Make sure to follow these methods in order to fix custom authentication failed in R.E.P.O. So for the first method, you should go to the Windows icon right here and then go to settings. Once you get redirected to the home, go to the Windows update and make sure to download and install all of the updates available. Even if you do have pending or stuck updates, make sure to select retry all and then go to update history. After that, uncheck the first two options. Scroll down, go to uninstall update and make sure to uninstall any suspicious update you do think that it is making the problem. Otherwise, go back and now select recovery instead. After that, select the first option and then select other troubleshooters. Select this run button in front of Windows Update, see if that works, and then go back. You can see this fix problems using Windows Update. Select reinstall now and see if this fixes your issue. Otherwise, for the second method, go to the search and type in cmd and make sure to run it as an administrator. Now type in exactly this command, ipconfig //dns, hit enter. After that, type in net winsock reset and hit enter again. Now you can close this, go to the search and type in view network connections. Now look for your Wi-Fi that have this stairs signal like this. Right click and select properties. After that, scroll down, look for the TCP IPv4 and double click on it. Make sure to select obtain DNS server address from automatically to use this following DNS server and then type in 8888 and in the second one type in 884 and 4. After that, hit OK. Now you can close everything. Go to the launcher that you have R.E.P.O on. Now you need to go to the library that you have games on. So select library. From here you need to select your R.E.P.O game. The game must be installed, but I'm going to show you using this one. So select this gear icon. After that, click on properties. Now go to installed files. Make sure to try selecting verify integrity of game files. Otherwise, click on browse. Go ahead and look for the game. You will find it right here, .exe. So right click on it and then you need to select properties. Now you need to go to the compatibility tab. After that, select disable full screen optimizations and then select this box too, which is run program as an admin. And lastly, you can try selecting compatibility mode. Switch it to Windows 8. After that, select OK. After that, select apply and then OK. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and see you on the next one.